everyone, and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm going to be showing you all the projects that I was able to make for my Mother's Day gift basket with only 2 skeins of yarn. And in this series I used an F or 5 crochet hook, an N or 15 crochet hook, and a 15mm crochet hook. So for this series I tried to go with a solid color and then a variegated color, and I know my mom likes strong neutrals, so I decided to go with that. So first let me show you what I was able to make. I was able to make 2 of these awesome hanging planters, and with a little bit of stretching they'll come up over the lip. I went ahead and made this plant sweater, but I put this plant in front of the window for a few days and so it started to turn, and this is just a cherry tomato plant. I know my mom won't care, but just kind of keep that in mind, that if you turn it toward a window it might grow toward the window. I think that's pretty obvious to most people, but I just didn't think about it, so now it's a little bit slanted. I made her this loofah and I just hung it over the wine bottle that I have here. I also made her this wine tote. And you can also put champagne or liquor bottles in here. I also made this soap saver, and I went ahead and included 1 tea tree aloe bar from Vermont Soaps. I really like their soaps because you can buy them in bulk, and you can get 3 pounds of soap chunks for a reasonable price. So I always do that, and then I always have soap chunks that I can stick into my soap savers whenever I need to. And I also made her this farmer's market basket here. And as you can see, you can put produce or anything like that in it. And since I know that the farmers markets will not be open for quite a while, I figure she can just use it for storage in the meantime and just kind of hold on to it. I also made her this hanging wall basket, and it works really simply. You just hang it up like this, and then you can put whatever you want in there. I figure scarves or something light like that would be good for this open pattern, but I'm definitely going to be making more of these because I'm pretty much in love and I want to have some for myself. And since my mom and I both have celiac, I went ahead and homemade her some chocolate chip gluten-free cookies. I have a friend that makes these awesome lavender candles that are just phenomenal, so I went ahead and included one of those. And so that's it. These are all the projects that you can make with just 2 skeins of yarn. And I did still have a tiny bit of the solid color left over, so I'm probably just going to crochet a couple of flowers or something for another project. And I will make sure that I link to all of these tutorials in the description down there, so that if you decide that you want to make one of these, you can go ahead and give it a shot. They're all really easy, and none of them took me more than a day of just picking it up and crocheting when I had some spare time to make. Please let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this where I show you what I can make with only 1 or 2 or maybe even up to 6 skeins of yarn. And I'm also interested to know if you tried any of these and they worked out for you, or if they didn't. And if you experience any issues while you're trying to make these, I will definitely do my best to help you out so that we can figure out what went wrong. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.